Pretty cold, Claire. I'm freezing.
Claire, this is your first snow. Do you think that's a happy noise?
I'm not sure. It's gonna get sad soon. Her hands have to be cold like mine right now.
You're silly. You're silly.
Okay.
Do we need to go back in the house, Claire Bear?
Dad says yes.
Okay. Dad's a wimp, isn't he? You can swing her. You got my hair. You got my hair, lady. That doesn't look like a happy face. You want to touch the camera? Alright, she's getting too red on her face.
Yep.
Getting too cold, lady. We tried to put gloves on her, but she wouldn't have it.
Oh.